Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. If you're new here, today's going to be a fun video. If you're not new here, welcome back. So for those of you who have been following me since at least the summer, you know that I have not tweezed my eyebrows. Today's the day. I'm finally going to clean myself up and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. I was going to kind of do it off camera because I thought it was going to be like underwhelming. But I did have a few of you that wanted to see how to shape my eyebrows and, you know, kind of go about that. So that's what today's video is going to be. And let me just, let's just get right into it. So for starters, let me show you what my eyebrows look like. I'm going to link the video where I'm not touching my eyebrows anymore so that you guys could see how skinny my eyebrows were before. But I'm going to come in so that you guys could see the growth. Like all of this did not used to have that there. This eyebrow used to be super thin. Same thing with this one. So instead of just going in and like right ahead and tweezing my eyebrows, I like to shape my brows. It's been so long. Like I can't believe how long it's been since I've done this, but I'm going to show you how I go about doing it. So for starters, I'm going to basically measure out where my eyebrows are going to start and where they're going to finish. Now, there's different ways of doing it. This is how I do it. I need to look into a mirror, so I have a mirror right here. And I'm going to get an eyebrow pencil. And I am not going to start here. Some people think you start out here. I'm not going to do that because that'll just make my eyes look further apart. I'm actually going to start on the inner part of my nostril right here. And I'm going to go up. And this is where my eyebrow should start. Same thing on this side. If you heard that, that's my cat. And here on that side. This side, I do have some hair there. It's very fine. So that still needs to come in. Now, I'm going to take my pencil again, and I'm going to put it like kind of on the tip of my nose. But I'm going to go across so that it crosses my iris. And here is where my arch should be. So my arch falls a little short before that, or the eyebrow hair is still growing in there. The outer part of my brow, I'm going to take the pencil from the outer part of my nostril and I am going to go like this. Here is where my eyebrow should end. Okay, I'm going to quickly do it on the other side. So now we know where we start, where we finish. Now I'm going to get in close so that you guys could see how I'm going to fill in the bottom part of my eyebrows. So here is the lowest part. Let me come over here. And I'm going to just fill it in this way. Now I'm going to fill it in a little bit thicker because when I do fill in my eyebrows once they are tweezed, you'll see it'll make more sense, but I'm going to fill them in a little bit thicker. And now here, I'm going to fill that in. So this is where my arch is supposed to be. The eyebrow hair has not fully grown back on that area. That's okay. That I am doing this is because I'm going to tweeze everything that falls under here. Now, what I am going to do is as I get closer to this shape, I'm actually going to trim that with scissors. I don't know why I'm saying glasses. I'm going to trim that with scissors because I'm not entirely sure if I want to get that close to the shape. I want this to kind of like flow. I just don't want any stragglers. And by trimming my hair, I'm not taking it out of like the hair follicle or whatever. It'll grow back. It won't take 4 months. Okay. I'm going to even myself out on the other side. All right, so this is somewhat of a guideline of how my eyebrows are going to be framed. I know this looks very angular over here. It's because I dotted it. It won't be that like sharp in the corner. Let me just make sure that this side is evened out nicely. And now, like I said too, my eyebrows have grown in a tremendous amount, but I do want to show you that there are still some sparse areas. Like there, the hair didn't really grow. Here it did. Here it's still sparse. Here, you know, it's still a little bit sparse. So it's time to tweeze. I'm gonna get in close again. I can't like be, oops, I can't be too close into the camera because then I won't be able to see what I'm doing. But you guys will kind of get a close up. All right, let's do this. It's been long awaited. I'm like, what is this thing? All right. And I'm gonna just pull out everything that falls beneath the shape here. And just a quick note, when you're tweezing, you want to pull the hair out in the direction that it's growing. Like my hair grows out this way, let's say, that way. You don't want to pull it the opposite way. You want to pull in the direction it grows in. Oh my goodness. Look how red it is. Oh my God. So now I've gotten to this part where I'm close to the frame here. I don't know if I want to pluck those, so I'm gonna trim them with my little scissors here. I'm gonna get close because technically, and again, always like just double check your shape because it's easier to see it now that all that extra hair is gone. But let's see. See, like this little hairs here almost like don't really belong. So I'm gonna go with my scissors and I'm just gonna go close to the root and I'm gonna trim. And the reason I'm trimming is because I don't know if I'm not 100% positive if I wanted to pull those out, but they'll grow back. It's not like hair waiting forever to kind of grow out of the hair follicle. And then now on the top, I'm just going to pull out the little stragglers. So I'm going to forward. When I'm tweezing, I'm just going to forward. Just like that. And now I'm just going to grab my spoolie. And I'm going to comb all my hairs up. And I'm going to go in with the scissors and I'm going to trim across the top. Anything that kind of goes past this little frame that I've made. And then I'm going to comb it down. I actually don't have anything to trim. I have a little spot here that I might take away. All right, so that's one eyebrow done. Gonna move on to the next one. So same thing, I'm gonna take out all these little stragglers here. That's so painful. Oh my God, I haven't done this in so long and it's so painful. All right. Oh, okay. I'm gonna wipe my face down real quick and then we'll see the end result. I'll be back. All right, so this is them completely tweezed, cleaned up. I'm gonna fill them in with a little bit of powder just so you see the full effect again. And I will blend out these parts in the middle. All right. eyebrows are done. I'm sorry, I'm like losing my voice right now. So here we are. Here's my eyebrows. Here they are, nice and full now. Again, it still definitely needs to grow in more, but it's nice, fresh and clean here. I don't have any stragglers anymore. And I just want to quickly, I forgot to mention the tools that I'm using because I was like, you don't understand, I've been like eager to just clean it up and see what my eyebrows are going to look like. So got my Tweezerman tweezers. These little scissors that I'm using, the name is inside, it's called Artman Instruments, Amazon. It's like I don't know how I Googled it, but it's one of those scissors that like seamstress use, like to get real close. And I like it because you pinch it and you can hold the scissors this way, and all you have to do is pinch it. It's easier than holding scissors like this to trim. And a spoolie and just any eyebrow pencil. I do apologize if you hear my husband in the background. He's playing Call of Duty and he's a little bit loud, but it's fine. All right, guys, so here it is. I can't wait to show my husband because he knows like I haven't tweezed my eyebrows too. I'm like, today's the day. So we'll see what he says. I'll let you guys know. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you have any questions, comments, anything, please feel free to leave them down below. And yeah, oh my God, I feel so fresh right now. Okay, I'm like literally gonna wash my face and go to bed. But all right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.